Hi everyone, so today I am going to share not just one but 5 amazing summer refreshing recipes with you all, जिन्हें पीते ही आप एकदम रिफ्रेशिंग और चार्ज्ड अप फील करेंगे। ये टेस्टी भी है और हेल्दी भी, एंड वी डोंट नीड टू यूज एनी फैंसी मशीन टू मेक दिस रिफ्रेशिंग एंड एनर्जाइजिंग ड्रिंक्स. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified about it. And also do stay till the end of this video to get amazing varieties of smoothie recipes. So let me show you what all we need for making these lovely smoothies. For making pineapple smoothie we need pineapple, so this is frozen pineapple, coconut milk, again this is chilled, some honey. Now honey is optional. If you want to keep this smoothie vegan, you can replace this with date powder or you can actually use seedless dates. Okay, so 1 or 2 dates should be more than enough because the fruit is sweet. You don't want to add too much sweetness. We want to keep it as natural as possible. And of course we need frozen banana. Okay, so let us start by putting everything into the blender and we are going to blend it. Right now, like I said, honey is completely optional. If you want, you can put just a bit of honey or you can completely skip that as well. But don't forget to put the crushed ice. See how beautiful this looks. So your delicious and creamy pineapple banana smoothie, or since we have used coconut milk in this, you can also call it as pina colada smoothie. And remember, I have not put in anything any sweet in this. Since my fruit is sweet, this actually is tasting really amazing. It does not need any extra sweetness in terms of honey or even dates or anything else. Okay, so the pina colada smoothie is ready to drink. स्मूदीज के कई बेनिफिट्स होते हैं. कोई इसे वेट लॉस में यूज करता है तो कोई इसे वेट गेन में भी पी सकता है. सो आप अपने प्रेफरेंस के हिसाब से स्मूदीज ले सकते हैं. The next smoothie recipe is extremely easy recipe. We need only 2 ingredients and just a dash of lemon for these. So we need mangoes. So this is fresh mangoes and these are frozen pineapple chunks. Okay, so this is frozen pineapple and we need just a dash of lemon. Okay, so like all other smoothies, we'll put everything into the jar of our blender. Remember, the fruit has to be sweet, otherwise you will have to add in just a bit of honey or any sweetener that you want in your smoothie. Now here goes just a dash of, about 1 teaspoon is more than enough. Okay, the seeds are removed. Let me put in some crushed ice as well. And let us blend this together. Delicious and creamy pineapple and mango smoothie. Our next recipe is berries yogurt smoothie. So for that we need frozen berries. Now here I have few mulberries, I have strawberries, I have cherry as well, and I have some blueberries. Okay, so whichever berries are available in your city or in the market nearby you, you can use that. I need yogurt for this, and I need, so this is plain yogurt. Okay, and I need some watermelon. Right, so we are going to put everything into the blender. We will blend this. The berries have so much water that you don't need to put in anything extra in terms of ice. Look at the natural color that this has got, right? Lovely. So that is your delicious yogurt berries smoothie. Our next smoothie is orange smoothie. So as the name indicates, we are going to use orange, but the tip over here is that you have to use frozen orange. So this is frozen orange. This is grated carrot. Okay, so you can use orange carrot or you can use red carrot as well. Whichever carrot is available, you can use that. So this is orange juice and this is some yogurt. Okay, so this will add that creaminess to our smoothie. So do not skip yogurt in this particular smoothie. Okay, so we are going to put everything into the jar of our blender. And this is mango yogurt that I am using. You can use plain vanilla yogurt as well, but mango yogurt is literally going to add to the overall taste of this particular smoothie. Okay, so we are going to blend this together. What a perfect color we have got on our smoothie, right? So that is your delicious orange carrot smoothie. And next time when you are in a mood to have smoothie, ये recipes घर पर बिल्कुल try करें, क्योंकि we all know that store-bought recipes, store-bought smoothies are loaded with excessive sugar and calories. For making spinach smoothie, we need spinach, we need yogurt. So again, you can use plain yogurt or you can use mango yogurt as well. Strawberry yogurt also goes very well, but I'm going to use mango yogurt over here, spinach, cut apple and some seeds. Okay, so we are going to blend this together. I'm also putting some ice in this and it is ready. This is the healthiest smoothie of all because it has all the goodness of seeds, spinach, and it also has apple as well. So do try this recipe for sure, and you won't even taste that spinach in this. It is said that one should always include a lot of colors from nature in one's diet. And have a look at the smoothies that are ready now. They look absolutely colorful. They are thick, they are tasty, they are healthy and they are delicious as well. And they are almost like a whole meal. You can start your day, you can jumpstart your day by having these smoothie recipes at home. You can also add dry fruits to make them more rich in nutrient content, and that will also make it extra delicious as well. अगर अब तक आप मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो don't forget to hit the like button and also share this video with your families and friends so they can also try these lovely recipes. So do try this recipe at home and comment below how it tasted.